I went through a very rough journey trying to elevate my sales career towards a leadership role in lubricant oil, grease, and petrochemical industry. I don't want anyone to face such painful time consuming trial and error process. That's why that's why I have designed a unique game changing business course, rather a journey where we blend professional growth, product excellence, and personal development with the ancient wisdom of spirituality to create the most stable emulsion. I have designed this business course for lubricant entrepreneurs in industrial automotive oils, greases, or metalworking fluids, and who want to seek the growth in their business, or business owners struggling to scale up their business, or a CEO who is having a hard time to deal with underperforming sales teams, missing out on profitability, for an oil sales professional stuck in the same role, unable to break through to higher leadership positions, or for a tribology aspirants unsure how to build a successful career in the competitive world of technical sales in specialty lubricants. Then I'll be surely a helping hand to remove the friction and lubricate your path to progress if you resonate any of this role in your career or business. First of all, I would like to show you a small video clip which is very viral nowadays. It's AI generated visuals. So what this video is, painting a mind-blowing picture of a world turned into a chaotic destruction if there were no lubricants, and that's how you will learn the importance of lubricants in today's world of mobility. So let me share with you some of the secrets of a productive and fruitful business meeting. This is a business bible to become master of meetings. So I say success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in, day out. So definitely, once you know the secrets, your sales is going to boost. Welcome to Mystica, sales tribe of tribologists, where the art of selling meets the science of lubricants. We call it oil is well if the sale is well. The intention to build this program is to scale up your business journey. You must ensure that whenever you are going for a business meetings, you should be well prepared, and there are certain protocols you should maintain. So these secrets will definitely help you in your business meetings. So mastering the art of sales visits require a blend of preparation, intuition, and effective communication. By following this guide, you can ensure that each visit is productive and fruitful, leaving a lasting impression on your clients. So fortune favors the prepared mind. So you have to be prepared before you go for any business meetings. These are our contact details. You can reach for any further support or information you may require for this program. So do your homework properly. So be prepared whenever you are going for the meetings. Success is where preparation and opportunity meets. So research the customer, review past interaction, procurement patterns, analyze current trends, pain points, growth potential, expansion plans. Knowledge is power and product knowledge is sales power. You have to thoroughly research before you do any customer meetings. Set the clear meeting agenda, define the goal, whether it is new lead generation, solving key pain points, or closing a deal. We say people with goals succeed because they know where they are going. Visit with firm appointment. Timing is everything. So confirm the appointment and ensure all key stakeholders are present at right time. Strike while the iron is hot. That is the importance of you know making a firm appointment. To prepare a customized solution, focus on customers' pain points, specific needs, and tailor your offering. Remember, you are not selling a product, you are selling a solution. So, a problem solver wins the customer's heart. One size does not fit all, hence, you had to customize as per the customer needs and pain point. Essential material you should never forget small things. Small things make big difference. So these brochures, samples, business cards, demo equipment or price sheets, PPTs, these are very important tools. So this is a summary. These are top 10 key points for mastering the sales visits. We will dive deep into these secrets one by one. So once you have done the research, then you leverage the technical knowledge. So equip yourself with a deep understanding of your product's feature, benefits, applications, and real world success stories to back up your claim with facts. In a world full of sellers, be the expert. So that is the importance of a technical expertise in the field of lubricants. Identify your KDM, key decision maker, whether he is an initiator, influencer, decider, buyer, or consumer.